Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to export as PDF your fixed asset in QuickBooks Online. It's going to be very easy and simple tutorial. So first you have to log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the dashboard, you can navigate to the left side menu to open the all apps here. Then go to accounting and you will find fixed asset here. You can click on it and then you will see all of your fixed asset here. Now, in order to export it, you can click see reports here and then click fixed asset list. And then you will see all of your fixed asset list here in the report format. And then to export it, you can click this icon, export, and you will see you can see export to PDF. You can click on this one. And as you can see, you can see the preview and you can change the format. I prefer landscape because it's better to see it in landscape. And you can also activate the smart page break if you want. And then you can just click save as PDF. And then you can download it to your computer. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.